All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. OnePlus Open now has Android 15. I've actually had this update for maybe a week or so. I just hadn't had time to get around to doing it. It's the holiday season for a lot of people, and I just was doing other stuff. But I turned the phone back. It was sitting on my desk after I hit the update button. I said, you know what? Let's fire up the camera. Let's show them what they're going to see when they first do the update. So this is what it is if you haven't updated your OnePlus Open yet. I mean, this device just turned out to be like one of the best in the game right now. It's like this turned out to be one of the best purchases that I made in 2024. It literally did. I mean, this is just absolutely holding up great. I mean, it's been dropped a few times, but everything's doing great on here. So this is what it looks like now when you fire it up. It also has a new charging animation too. I'll try to plug it up so you can see what it looks like in a second here. But it has the classic look or the split look. This is the first thing that popped up when I finally decided to turn this back on. Let's go ahead and apply the split look, which is the new look. Software update complete. So you can see here, little animations up top letting me know, hey, quick settings and the other settings. So you scroll down there and you scroll down here. So this is really good. And you see when I'm recording this, December 31st, 2024. Last video of 2024 for me. I got a couple of them actually I've done today, but this is the last one. I'm going to go out and have a good time. Not like that. I'm going to the grocery store. Going to the grocery store, run some errands, and then I'm coming back to the house and sit down and read a book. Now, other than this, man, look, we're going to get in here. It's really, I'll be following up again just to let you guys know that the phone is running bad or it's running good. But here's the crazy part. It has the security patch of November, and I just got this update in December. So maybe it'll be another update or something like that. I'm surprised this phone got updates at all because it hadn't gotten any updates in quite some time. So yeah, I was surprised. So you see there's new icon. When you see little red dots, that means there's some changes there that's significant that you should check them out. And oh boy, look at this. Themes. Flux themes. This is kind of taking this to another level. If you don't know, OnePlus it's always been about customizations. If you've been following OnePlus long enough, you know that they're about customizations. So this is fire right here to see this. Before I go into the themes here, you've got colors, edge lighting, display size, quick settings, and you got the normal icons and wallpapers right there. So let's just get into more themes here and see what happens. Oh, look at this. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, the new Never Settles. Oh, light and shadow. Okay. There's so many in here that I like already. You got these ones down here that you can choose from. Be the Legend, Never Settle. I used to do a whole bunch of Never Settle wallpapers because I think they're the best. Let's go even more things and see if it takes us to the store. So this is just my themes right here. So let's go ahead and download this one right here if it'll allow us to do it. Boom, there it is. So we can actually customize this here, and look, we can customize it here as well. So let's start here. You've got styles here, original, narrow, wide. Look at all these different things you can do here. Whoa, ripple. Let's see if it, oh, okay, there, oh, that's so clean. You've got wide, you've got lumina, grid. It changes this is fire right here, man. They've done a great job with the customization still on how they do things. This is really nice. So let's do grid here. I actually like I like a few of these, man. Wow, let's do grid. Grid is very noticeable. And you can change the blur here too. You can make it really blurry. You see it changing there? But let's get it back to just regular. So you can see it's like a high quality. It looks really good. And I'm not gonna change the wallpaper because obviously I like that. And then match cover. Yep. All right. And so if we go over here, you can see this is what it's gonna look like on the other side when you're on your desktop. You can change the highlight color right here. You can do that. Oh man, you can put whatever you want there. You could change the style for this one. You can make it different than the outside one. Look at that. It's like a glass, like mirror type effect right there. That's pretty fire right there. Really nice. Let's do the lumina for the interior. And again, you can, same thing, you can change the blur and everything on the interior here of your wallpaper. Yeah, why wouldn't you want to show off that beautiful, this mirror-like finish of the wallpaper? And then here you got your always on display. Oh, you got your always on display here, so you can turn it on here, and then boom. All right, so you got your seamless now, and you got your classic. Seamless all day, man. Like, why would I want to do the classic? Nice. So the customizations is where it's at, man. So let's go into here. And then when you go into here, you can see all the different things you can do here. You can do none, you can do clock, you can do additional here. So let's do, let's see, we can put the temperature up there. Steps, you can change it to what you want. All right, so then that's the clock. And if you go here, you can see the different clocks that you can change it to. You can put it in the different positions. I like it in the center right there. And then you can do the different fonts. You can change it there. Only thing let me see if it can, no, only thing I wish about this customization area is that they let you push it up a little bit more so you can kind of see exactly instead of scrolling like this, but it's fine, it's good. So you could do the temperature, the date, and whatever. You could, the date is gonna be there, and you can change it to temperature or date, and you could do none. Let's do steps, it's cool. Position there, so that's pretty nice. And then you go here, you can change it to all of these different ones right here. Be a legend, be bold, be brave, true to the core. Look, you can, you can change it to all of these, man. This is so fire, right? They've done an excellent job with this. Master the flow, dare to be different, never settle. I'm already a legend. I'm already true to the core. I'm already bold, and I'm never gonna settle. You can change the fonts and everything, the colors, and you could just do it all. Look at this. This is nuts right here. I like this, man. I could do like a little orange highlight. Just, I was gonna say just like that. That's a little too much right there. That's like almost a peach. Or you can go real bold and go deep with it like that. Check that out, man. The customizations are, looks like limitless with this joint. You hit apply. It applies your theme, and then there you go. And then see, if you go over here to my themes, you can see all of these are here, and I just added this joint right here. So you got all these right here you could use. So it was on this default one right here, but I switched it to the new joint because why not? You definitely should have a custom theme on here, and you definitely should be doing your own thing with your phone customizations. Boom, there it is. Really nice. Oh yeah, very nice, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. The also famous OnePlus inner screen. So I'm looking to see and capitalize on performance here with this. Let me show you the new charging animation before I get out of here. Again, like I said, this has probably been the best, the best purchase that I've made in 2024. Let me plug it up and show you the new charging animation, and then we're going to get out of here and I'll follow up later. All right, 100 watts coming in strong. Check this out. That is the new charging animation. The other one was like a blue lightning bolt or something like that, but that is the new charging animation. So with that being said, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I am loving that OnePlus decided to give this thing Android 15. You know, again, I know the 13 is coming. Some people already have the 13. Shout out to my man Grant S. He's always on his game. I'm going to fall back for a second. I didn't pre-order. I was going to pre-order the OnePlus 13, but I like this phone so much. So I need to get out there to go ahead and pay that $50 and get that promo. Shout out to Barry. He did it already. I think Gigi did it too, I believe. I was watching the stream. I can't remember. I know Barry did it. I think Sean did it. Sean P. Shout out to these cats, man. Got love for them, mad love. I need to go ahead and I need to go ahead and do that OnePlus 13 because I skipped all the other ones once I got this phone right here. So maybe I'll log in. Maybe I'll go ahead and order it. We'll see. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.